In this video, we will cover the installation of the SureSpeed meter and delivery system on a Case 1200 series row unit with box hopper. Before you begin, verify you have all the required parts indicated in your installation instructions. First, we will start by removing any of the applicable parts from the row unit: gauge wheels, scrapers, opening disc, seed meter, seed firmer, seed tube shoe, and any wiring harnesses. The SureSpeed meter pivot brackets will be installed next. Remove the factory installed top bolt, nut, washers, and meter pivot. It is recommended to only remove one side of the row unit at a time. Install the pivot brackets using the existing hardware for the top bolt and the provided 5/16 inch hardware for the other two holes. Repeat this process for the other side. Next, we will install the seed tube shoe. Slide the OEM furrow firmer onto the new seed tube shoe. Use the provided 3/8 of an inch flange bolts to install shoe onto the row unit shank. It is recommended to use blue Loctite or equivalent thread lock. Do not over torque the bolts. Reinstall the closing wheel system by using the provided 3/8 inch by 2-inch bolt and lock nut to fasten to the rear holes on the shoe. Next, we will assemble the SureSpeed meter onto the seed hopper. First, install the sheet metal standoff on the rear of the box hopper. Secure with 4 of the 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch bolts. Ensure all 4 bolts have been started before tightening to verify hole alignment. Next, slide the front pivot adapter into place on the meter. Position the seed meter on the box hopper. Ensure that the meter is positioned properly by verifying the 4 bolt holes are aligned and the tab on the meter is interfacing with the tabs on the box hopper. Install 4 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch bolts to attach the meter to the box hopper. The seed delivery rail will be installed next. Start by removing any dirt or debris from the inside of the shank. Insert one spacer sleeve on each side of the delivery rail. Use an angle grinder or reciprocating saw to cut and remove approximately 1/2 inch off the top of the shank to allow the delivery tube to clear. Slide the delivery rail from the top of the shank until the lower hook on the rail is engaged with the lower shank pin. Be sure to visually confirm engagement. Next, install the OEM clevis pin and hairpin clip through the top of the delivery rail. The delivery rail should not be able to be removed once the pin is installed. Next, install the SureSpeed delivery tube. Slide the delivery tube in from the top of the shank until it is resting on the delivery rail spring. Connect the row can cable to the delivery tube motor at this time. The SureSpeed meter will be installed next. Install the meter and box hopper onto the pivot brackets. Lock the hopper box and meter into place with the latch. Adjust the latch location to obtain desired latch tension and tighten the hardware. Leaving the latch loose may cause the meter to bounce and cause performance issues. Connect the row can cable to the meter motor. Lastly, install the vacuum elbow provided. Cut the existing vacuum hose to the desired length. Install the new vacuum elbow onto the hose. Please note the elbow has left-hand threads. Push the elbow onto the meter. Now you will be able to successfully install a SureSpeed meter and delivery system on a Case 1200 series row unit with a box hopper. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.